Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia 2025 model, an iconic car that has been reinvented for the modern age. Whether you're a car enthusiast, someone considering a new vehicle, or just curious about this throwback classic with a futuristic twist, stick around, because we're going to cover everything you need to know. The interior, the exterior, the performance, and of course, the price. Let's get started. So first things first, let's talk about the exterior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia. Volkswagen has done an amazing job keeping the car's retro, classic charm while integrating modern, sleek lines. The car maintains the distinct curves that made the original so recognizable, but now with an ultra-modern design. The front end features a sharp yet elegant grille and sleek LED headlights that give it an aggressive yet refined look. The body has a more sculpted profile than ever before, with a smooth, flowing design that emphasizes its aerodynamics, making it look like it's always in motion. The Karmann Ghia's rear end has also been updated with a minimalist, clean design, though the signature round tail light design remains, offering a nice nod to the past. The whole design balances nostalgia with innovation, and it's hard not to admire how Volkswagen has updated this classic beauty. Moving on to the interior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is just as impressive. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted with a mixture of vintage-inspired design elements and high-tech modern features. The dashboard sports a retro vibe with classic dials, but all the modern tech hidden beneath a clean surface. One of the standout features is the large digital display that blends seamlessly into the interior, offering touch controls for almost everything. The upholstery is a premium leather that feels luxurious to the touch, and the seats are incredibly comfortable with great support for both short and long drives. A special mention goes to the sound system, which delivers crisp, clear audio, making it clear that this isn't just about looks, it's about creating a premium experience inside too. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is packing a punch, blending efficiency with power. The car is equipped with an electric powertrain, making it a fully electric vehicle. The Karmann Ghia can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just under 6 seconds, which is pretty impressive for a car with such a stylish, vintage exterior. Its driving experience is smooth, responsive, and surprisingly nimble for its size. The suspension is well tuned to offer a comfortable ride without sacrificing handling, and the car's electric power steering ensures that it's incredibly easy to maneuver, whether you're on winding back roads or stuck in city traffic. As for the range, the Karmann Ghia's battery offers up to 250 miles on a full charge, which should be plenty for most daily commutes and weekend drive. When it comes to technology and features, Volkswagen didn't hold back. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. You'll find adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only add to the convenience of driving, but also enhance the overall safety of the car, making it perfect for those who want a mix of old-school charm with modern peace of mind. Alright, let's talk prices. Now this is where it gets interesting. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is positioned as a luxury electric coupe, so it comes with a price tag to match. The base model starts at around $50,000, which is a fair price considering the blend of modern technology and classic design. If you want some additional features or the top-tier trims, you're looking at a price closer to $55,000 to $60,000. It's definitely on the higher end of the spectrum for a compact electric vehicle, but considering the quality, the design, and the performance, it feels worth the investment for those who are looking for something special. To wrap things up, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is an absolute stunner. It's a car that successfully combines the best of the past and the future, offering a unique blend of style, performance, and modern technology. Whether you're in it for the looks, the driving experience, or the features, the Karmann Ghia delivers on all fronts. So, if you're in the market for a premium, electric, and iconic vehicle, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you drive the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia? See you next time.